We're doing the Riedel test here with Chalk Hill General Manager Stuart Mossman. This is the Chalk Hill Sangiovese, which is a ripping wine, and we've reviewed previously, but we've got it now in the all-purpose sort of Riedel Magnum Overture, and then we've got it in the very specific Sangiovese glass in the XL range. And Stu, let's have a look at these together. I mean, again, when you look at the Magnum, for me, you get the brightness of the fruit, and that's about it. But when you look at the Sangiovese glass, there's a real toning down and you know, a distinct savoury, almost, you know, I dare to say, goes to old world style in my mind. And then when we have a drink, what do you think?
Look, I've found just on the nose there, it seems to almost concentrate the perfume as well. So it seems to sort of give it a bit more direction. You don't have to stick your nose as far into the glass, and it gives you a bit more of that purity.
The amazing thing for me too, and this is the whole thing about Riedel and their stems and bowl size, etc., is it's concentrating that varietal into an incredible style within the palate that gives it a real grip. There's a real tannin obvious difference between that and the two glasses, which doesn't make sense because the tannin is the same. Obviously, it's the same wine. There's something about the Riedel and the way the whole mechanics of you drinking gives it an incredible tannin difference, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. I mean, this is quite broad on the palate.
Exactly.
And then I think this just gives it a real definition or a
absolutely
structure.
Just narrows it down, you know, shapes it and channels it almost like a fjord in your palate. And there's just an amazing more sense of the varietal. So hence again, you know, why Riedel is varietally specific, and just do a ripping job if you can afford to have all the range in your cabinet.
Yeah.